iterative logic. So iterative logic we have for structure and while structure. Now this is for repeat for structure. How to write in your algorithm. So this is the format for this. See here, this one. Okay. So repeat. This is the format. This way only you have to write for structure for algorithm. Repeat for I is equals to k to s. आप C++ में कैसे लिखते थे? For I is equals to 0, I is less than equals to 10, semicolon I plus plus. So that was the format for C++. But for algorithm, what you have to write? So in this, if you see, initial condition is your k. For I is equals to 0, जैसे हम C++ में लिखते थे. So here the initial condition is this. And test condition is k to s, means the loop will go from k to s. Like this will go from 0 to, like this will go from 0 to 10. Okay, so 0 is your initial condition. Here we call lower bound in array. The first element, and this is so this is your first initial element, initial condition. K is your initial condition. Here I am using initial condition. K to S. So S is your final. Is 0 to 10. So 0 is like for I is equals to 0. To I is equals to 10. Okay, so 0 is your initial condition and test condition कैसे लिखते थे C++ में I is less than equals to 10 और here we have to give, here we are getting from this line k to s means 0 to 10 and this is step by k कितने steps वो बढ़ेगा तो by k I think हाँ by k so it is incremented by 1. If you are writing from here 1 to 10 so k is your 1 so every time it is incremented by 1 but if I am using 0 to 10 so then I cannot use k is equals to k here means every time it has to be incremented minimum by 1. So if you write in a simple way, to repeat for I is equals to 0 to 10 by 1. See, in this, if you are incrementing your loop by 1, then no need to write this line by k. It is automatically incremented by 1. But if your step is more than 1, if it is incremented by 2, then you have to write or decremented then you have to write here by 2 or by -1 like that. Understood? So this is the condition. In algorithm you have to write like this. Repeat for I is equals to 0 to 10 by 1 or by 1 if it is optional if it is incremented by 1. Then this is what you
हम के में नेगेटिव वैल्यूज भी यूज कर सकते हैं क्या मतलब डिक्रीमेंट कर सकते हैं
डिक्रीमेंट भी करते हैं ना जब हम लूप को अगर उल्टा चलाते हैं फ्रॉम 10 to 0 तो हाउ यू विल मूव यू हैव टू डिक्रीमेंट ना
ओके मैम
इट इज इनिशियल कंडीशन इज 10 to 0 then how it will move it should be decremented by 1 so that way in C++ जैसे फैक्टोरियल का बहुत सब उल्टा भी स्टार्ट करते हैं फैक्टोरियल ऑफ अ नंबर वो उल्टा भी लगाते हैं फ्रॉम जैसे 5 का निकालना हो तो 5 to 1 तक भी करते हैं ओके so this is repeat for structure same way we have repeat while structure in repeat while structure while statement हमने C++ में किया हुआ है so there you have to put initial condition like for I is equals to 1 या 0 और रिपीट वाइल कंडीशन में हम क्या देते हैं I is less than equals to 10. This is your condition. और स्टेप में हम क्या देते हैं I प्लस प्लस और I is equals to I plus 1. Okay, so these are the condition which is not there in single line. Just like in for loop, it is easy to write. Means in one single line you can write initial condition, you can have condition and you can have step. But in repeat while structure, your initial condition should be before your while loop. Here you are giving I is equals to 1. What is your condition? That I should be less than equals to 10, and what should be the step? Step is the part of your module, means the set of instruction which you are executing. So that should be in the loop only, that every time it should be incremented by 1. So if condition is true, it will execute the module, and step is the part of your module, and initial condition here you have to give. So that is repeat structure. So in algorithm you have to follow this format: repeat while condition. This way, this word should come: repeat while I is less than equals to 10 column module step, and initial condition. This way you have to give. Okay, so this is these are different structures: conditional structures, repetitive structures, sequential structure. तो कई बार एक शॉर्ट नोट आता है, write a note on different control structures used in data structure. So these 3 mark question you have to write about sequential flow, conditional flow, and repeat this repetitive structure. Okay, so it is very easy. 11th में you have already done, तो ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं. Okay. Now we will start with concepts related to array, because we have to write algorithms based on array only. So you are familiar with this term array. Array is basically what? It is a set of elements which is stored in linear manner or in a consecutive memory location. So array is a linear data structure. Now the different or the new definition for array is: array, it is a linear data structure. Linear means when you are going to store in the memory, it means consecutive memory location, one after another. Okay, and it consists of finite ordered set of homogeneous data elements. Homogeneous means same type of data you can store in array. Like in your non-linear structure, you can store different data type. Integer also, character also you can store. But in case of array, you have your data should be of same type. Just like in C++, आपने C++ में array लास्ट टॉपिक हमने किया था ना, हाउ टू डिक्लेयर array. C++ में ऐसे array डिक्लेयर किया जाता है. int is what? It is its data type. This is name of your array data, and this is the size of your array, that it is having 6 elements. It is shown in your figure. कैसे ये array represent होता है? See, these are the elements. The data which you are going to store, it is called element. And this number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is the index. How you are accessing individual array element, you can access through the index value of array. Okay, so how many elements are there in this? 6 elements. So what is the name of first element? Data 0. What is the name of second element? Data of 1. Data of 2. So what is the value at data of 2? It is 6. Understood? So array is basically used to store homogeneous. That's why its data type is given along with this. That this data array name data can store only integer value. You cannot store any other data type if it is defined as integer. Okay, so here data is basically name of array, 6 is the size, and how you are accessing each and every element through the index number of array. Okay, so when it is stored in memory, कैसे store होगा ये RAM मैंने यहाँ लिखा है. How to store in the memory? In consecutive memory location. Means if the location is 6000, ठीक है, ये आपका इतना छोटा एड्रेस नहीं होता, बट इफ आई एम टेकिंग दिस फर्स्ट मेमोरी लोकेशन का एड्रेस, इफ इट इज 6000, देन सेकेंड लोकेशन का एड्रेस क्या होगा? 6001, 6002, 6003, 6004 and 6005. Means if you know the first address, you can easily get the address of any element. बट अब इसमें एक चीज और मैं बता दूं, द वर्ड ऑल्सो इट मैटर्स. सी आई हैव टेकन दिस डेटा as integer type. अगर मैंने इसको integer type लिया, what is the length of integer data type? We have already done for C plus in 11 standard. Integer takes 2 bytes. Okay, character takes 1 byte to store in memory location. Float takes 4 bytes. Double takes 10 bytes. Oh, sorry, 8 bytes. Long double takes 10 bytes, like that. So if it is integer, it means how many memory location I need? Instead of 6, I need double 12, because each and every element will take 2 memory location. I have taken simple example that one element is taking 1 memory location, but it purely depends upon number of words or the size of your data type. If it is integer, then it will take 2 memory location. So memory location will be double for the required for the size of array. अगर elements आपके 6 हैं, तो memory में वो कितने locations लेंगे? 12. Understood? So if it is of character type, अगर यहाँ char लिखती मैं char, तो हर एक के लिए एक ही memory location, because char is char values takes 1 byte or 1 memory location. Understood? तो आगे हमारा एक फॉर्मूला है कि हम मेमोरी एड्रेस कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, तो उसमें इट मैटर्स कि वो कितने किस तरह का डेटा टाइप स्टोर कर रहा है. Okay, so this is basic concepts related to array. Why we are doing in detail? Because algorithm जो हम करेंगे वो array based ही करेंगे. So how to find length of an array? If a length, this is the formula to find the length of array. This is the formula. UB means upper bound, means the highest value of your index. Highest value of your index. Lower bound is the lowest, means the first element index value. It is not related to memory address. It is like data of 0, data of 1, data of 2. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like in your previous slide. So see, 0 is your first index and 5 is your last index. So 0 stands for lower bound, LB, and this 5 stands for upper bound, the highest index, and 0 is lowest index. So with the help of this highest and lowest index, we can find out the length of array. Array का length कितना है आप find out कर सकते हो. तो what is the formula? Upper bound minus lower bound plus 1. So here upper bound is 5 and lower bound is 0. So 5 minus 0 plus 1. 5 minus 0 plus 1 equals to 6. So means your array elements consist of 6 elements. So if you want to find out the length, see this is very small. अगर कोई बड़े array size का find out करना है और ये data size नहीं है, तो it is very simple formula that last element minus 1. If it is starting from 1, so you can say the last element is basically the size of your array. Okay, but if it will mostly array starts from 0, mostly जब हम store करते हैं या कुछ प्रोग्रामिंग में लिखते हैं तो डेटा ऑफ 0, इसका जो इंटरनल जो इंडेक्स नंबर है इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 0. तो डेटा ऑफ 0, डेटा ऑफ 1, डेटा ऑफ 2, like that. So 0 is your lower bound, the lowest index, and the 5 is your upper bound, the highest index. Okay, so this is very simple formula. ये बोर्ड में आता नहीं है, but you should basically that length lower bound upper bound minus lower bound plus 1 is to calculate the length of array. Okay. Next is representation of array in memory. How to represent array in memory? See, this is formula is looking complicated, but it is not like that. See how to find the kth element of an array. If you see this example, if I'm taking here character to one byte for each, okay. So if I take here 6,000, first memory address is 6,000. So that address is called base address of array. Here LA means the name of array. जैसे यहाँ पे array का नाम मैंने डेटा लिया है, तो यहाँ पे array का नाम क्या है? LA, linear array. You have to find the location or the memory address of kth element. Means kth element, let's say मैंने बोला आपको ये वाला third element का memory address बताओ. थर्ड एलिमेंट का मेमोरी एड्रेस बताओ. एंड इफ योर मेमोरी इज स्टोरिंग फ्रॉम, लेट्स से इफ इट इज स्टोरिंग फ्रॉम 6,000, ओके. योर मेमोरी एड्रेस जहाँ पे आपका एरे स्टोर हुआ, वो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट जाके कहाँ स्टोर हुआ? 6,000 पे. ओके. सो बेस एड्रेस आपको मिल गया 6,000. एंड इफ यू आर टेकिंग इंटीजर, अगर हम कैरेक्टर ही लेते हैं तो हर एक वैल्यू वन लोकेशन देगी. तो दैट इज योर W word size. That is your W, number of words per memory location. So if you are using character array, so W will be 1. And if you are taking integer array, W will be 2. And if you are taking float array, then W will be 4. Okay. Lower bound क्या था? कहाँ से array start हो रहा था? 0 से. So now everything you know. Base of linear array, it is starting from 6,000. Base means your array is where in your memory. Once you have stored your array in the memory, तो what is the first address जहाँ पे आपका array जाके store हुआ है? So that is 6,000. So base is 6,000. Now W is, अगर आप character ले रहे हैं तो 1. Kth element मैंने बोला third. तो 3 minus 0. तो लोकेशन क्या हो जाएगा? कैन एनीबॉडी टेल फॉर थर्ड एलिमेंट? बेस एड्रेस कितना हो गया? बेस एड्रेस इज 6,000. ओके. एंड वर्ड कितना? इफ यू आर टेकिंग कैरेक्टर, द वर्ड इज 1. देन के कितना है आपका? केथ एलिमेंट मैंने बोला था थर्ड एलिमेंट का एड्रेस बताओ 3 माइनस लोअर बाउंड कितना हो गया? 0, because your array starts from index value 0. So when you calculate, तो 6,000 plus 3 आ जाएगा. तो your address of third element is 6,003. यही था पीछे. ये 6,000 फर्स्ट एलिमेंट का एड्रेस है. सेकंड का क्या हो जाएगा? 6,001. अगर हम ऐसे ही कैलकुलेट करें, सेकंड का क्या हो जाएगा? 6,002. और थर्ड एलिमेंट का क्या हो जाएगा? 6,003. ओके. तो अभी तो ये छोटा सा एरे साइज है, तो आप ऐसे भी कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो. बट इफ इट इज अ 1,000 एलिमेंट और वर्ड साइज इज 4, देन हाउ टू कैलकुलेट? Then you have to use this formula. Okay, so I'm giving you 2 examples. Now you calculate and tell me. Take first example. Calculate the address of fifth element in an array stored from 4,000 in memory, having data type of integer type and lower bound is 0. Okay, so you have to find the address of fifth element. और मेमोरी में वो कहाँ से स्टोर हो रहा है? 4,000 से. उसका डेटा टाइप क्या है? इंटीजर. और उसका स्टार्टिंग एड्रेस क्या है? 0. So can anybody tell what is the address of fifth element if the formula is this?
4010.
यस वेरी गुड 4010 कैसे आया 4010 बेस एड्रेस कितना दिया है
4000.
4000 base address it is given 4000 okay word size कितना दिया है word size is given 2 because it is integer kth element means which position address you want to find out kth fifth position and lower bound is given 0 so what is the address of the fifth position 4000 plus 2 into 5 10 so 4010 is your address of your kth or the fifth position of your array. Understood? This formula is very easy and basically used to calculate the address of any kth element of your array. Same way, calculate the next one. Calculate this one. Here the array name is auto. Array name क्या है? Auto और उसका which records the number of automobiles from 1932 to 1984. So from this you are getting lower bound. LP is your 1932. Now the base is given 200 and the word size is given 4. So you have to find out that 1965 का जो record है वो array में किस address पे store होगा.
332.
Right.
332 हाँ
Very good. 332. Understood this? I have taken example from your TPS only. It is there in your TPS. So this formula is basically used to find the address of any kth location of your array in memory. If the base, the starting address of your memory location, जहाँ पे आपका array store होगा वो दिया है, base address दिया है, means base address दिया है, lower bound दिया है, word size दिया है, तो you can find out any address of your array element. Understood? I hope it is clear till now. Okay. So we can start with algorithm part only. So algorithm we are going to start. So we have 6 algorithm we have to do. In the I'll take only one and then I'll finish with the class. Algorithm में and what is basically algorithm you have already done in your second chapter of 11th standard CS-1 algorithm based data. It is basically a step-by-step list of well-defined instruction for solving a particular problem. So algorithm is basically a general logic for each platform. See, algorithm you can write, it's a general statement for any task. उसके बाद आप उसको क्या करते हो कोडिंग करते हो बेस्ड ऑन योर प्लेटफॉर्म अगर आप C++ में हो तो यू राइट प्रोग्राम बेस्ड ऑन दैट एल्गोरिथम इन C++ लैंग्वेज. So in 11th standard we did only the step, but in your board exam you have to add one small paragraph along with your step. It carries 1 mark. अगर ये और हमेशा एल्गोरिथम कोई ना कोई एक एल्गोरिथम आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम में होता ही है. तो आपको फर्स्ट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू यू हैव टू राइट द पर्पस ऑफ द एल्गोरिथम. Here you will write what is the purpose, why you are writing this algorithm and what type of variables you are going to use in that algorithm that you have to define in this first part or the paragraph, which means 2-3 lines you have to write about the algorithm. देन यू विल स्टार्ट विद द स्टेप. हम 11th में पर्पस नहीं लिखते थे, सिर्फ स्टेप डायरेक्टली लिखते थे. बट इन योर बोर्ड एग्जाम यू हैव टू फर्स्ट राइट द पर्पस ऑफ द एल्गोरिथम. ओके. सो first algorithm based on first operation traversing an array. how you are traversing or visiting each array element once. Okay. Traversing an array means accessing with each element of array only at once so that it can be processed. So traversing means visiting. Like this is linear array. LA is the name. ये देखो यहाँ पे मैंने आप written the paragraph that is showing the purpose of this algorithm. Here is this these two lines also you can add in your paragraph. What is traversing means accessing with each element of array only at once. So here you have to, along with the purpose, you have to write the variables or things you are using in your algorithm. So LA is what? LA is the name of your array, linear array. तो एक example short form उसी का ले लिया. LA is a linear array with lower bound LB and upper bound UB. The following algorithm apply operation process to each element of linear array. See, this is general purpose array, general purpose algorithm. तो आई एम नॉट डूइंग फॉर स्पेसिफिक ऑपरेशन कि मैंने बोला कि ओके हर एक एरे एलिमेंट पे जाओ और +5 ऐड करो या हर एक एरे एलिमेंट पे जाओ 10 मल्टीप्लाई करो या हर एक एरे एलिमेंट पे जाओ और 86 को सर्च करो. So that process, many processes are there. So we can't write a process in algorithm. तो हमने उसको एक नाम दे दिया कि this process, when I visit this element, I will apply this process here. So this process can be addition of 5, multiplication of 10, or searching of 86, anything. Okay, so we are using in algorithm a general term that when I visit uh, each element of the array, I will do this process. Understood? So what is the algorithm? So this definition and this these variables, linear array, the name of array, lower bound is the starting condition of your array, and upper bound is the last condition, last value of your array, and process is the thing which you are going to do into each element of the array or each element of linear array. Okay, now what are the steps? So I have written these with the help of while as well as for. In TPS also it is given with two-way, so you can use any method. So I'm just doing here to show ki how you are using while and how you are using for loop. Okay, so for while loop initial condition आपको अगर मुझे इस पे for loop लगाना है C++ पे तो कैसे लगाते हैं? For I is equals to 0 means this is first condition, I is less than equals to 5 and I plus plus. This way I can put the loop for this. But in algorithm, first step में what you have to do, you just set the initial value. K क्या है यहाँ पर? K is your counter. जैसे I है, I is equals to 0. तो यहाँ पर आप क्या ले रहे हो? K is equals to lower bound. Means your loop will start from here. This is your lower bound. Okay, and this is your upper bound. तो आपका लूप कहाँ से कहाँ तक चलना चाहिए? From lower bound to upper bound. Understood? So your loop should start from lower bound. So this is first condition. Now how to write this repetition? What you have to repeat this third and fourth step. What is third step? That processing, and what is fourth step? That increment. So how to show in algorithm that how many steps you are going to repeat in your loop structure. So you are going to repeat this. This is your module. So here you have to write like this. Repeat steps 3 and 4 till the condition is true. While k is less than equals to upper bound. जब तक k की वैल्यू upper bound से कम है तब तक आपको ये दोनों steps repeat करने. Okay, so you have to repeat 3 and third and fourth step till the condition is true. Once this will become false, once k is greater than upper bound, you will be out of from this loop. Okay, so in this is your initial condition, and you have to go to each and every element. So you have to repeat third and fourth. What is your third step? Now I have written apply process to linear array of kth element. Linear array k means अभी right now what is k over here? K is 0. Okay, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये first element हो जाएगा. Linear array of 0. ठीक है, ये फर्स्ट एलिमेंट हो जाएगा सिंस k is equals to 0. तो what you have to apply over here? Process. तो अगर मैंने आपको let's say I have given one task की okay add 5 in this, तो how this will convert in that? कैसे लिखोगे? If process is adding 5, so how you will write? LA of k is equals to LA of k plus 5. That is your process. Instead of that line, you can write this. अगर मैंने बोला multiply by 10, so how you will write? LA of k is equals to LA of k into 10, like that. So process can be any operation which you are going to perform in for this array. So इसलिए हमने उसको एक general term दे दिया. Any process you are visiting means you are going to first element and you have done this process. Okay. Now after doing this, so what you have to do? You have to go to the next step. So this you can go with the help of k is equals to k plus 1. So it is incremented. जब increment हुआ तो ये क्या हो गया फिर से? k की वैल्यू 1 हो गई. अब 1 हो गई तो यहाँ टेस्ट हो रहा है. Is 1 is less than equals to 5? If it is yes, then it will again apply the process. फिर से 5 add हो जाएगा. Again it will increment. Now it is 2. Again it will go here. Is 2 is less than upper bound? Yes. Then apply the process again. Again it will increment. Go to the next step. Then it is 3. It is checking if it is not. If it is less than upper bound, then again apply the process. तो इस तरह से ये कब तक चलता रहेगा? जब तक ये कंडीशन ट्रू है. Once this it will become false, then you will be exited from this. Clear ये? Any doubt in this? Anyone? Any doubt? I think it is clear. If you have any doubt, should I repeat again?
No, ma'am.
So same way, I have written same algorithm for in using for loop. तो इसमें तो बहुत ही कम एक ही स्टेप में सब हो गया. देख रहे हो आप? यहाँ पर जैसे इनिशियल condition, then step. Different things you are writing or you are using 3 different steps. But here in one step, repeat for k is equals to lower bound to upper bound. So initial condition, what is initial condition? Initial condition यहाँ पे set हो गई k is equals to LB. And what is condition? That it should move from lower bound to upper bound. And I am not written by LB or by 1. LB तो 0 है इस टाइम, तो by 1 I have not written. If it is 1, then it will automatically increment it by 1. And तो सब चीजें देखो एक ही स्टेप में हो गई. और उसके बाद आपने क्या करना है? You have to apply process to linear array element of k, linear array of kth element, and then exit. So for loop के साथ it is very easy to write. तो ऐसे नहीं है कि आपके मार्क्स इसमें चले जाएंगे और उसमें आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे. It is not like that. Traversing जब भी आते तो whichever is convenient, whether with the help of while loop or using for loop, with any method you can write, you will get full marks. Okay, so purpose but होना चाहिए because it's adding half or 1 mark depending on the moderator or evaluation of that year. So this algorithm traverses a linear array with lower bound LB, upper bound UP. So this purpose आ गया that it traverses a linear array. तो नेम आ गया एरे का और उसमें वेरिएबल्स कौन कौन से यूज कर रहे हो? LB एंड UP एंड L. तो सब वेरिएबल नेम्स भी आ गए और एल्गोरिथम का पर्पस भी आ गया. So this 1 or 2 lines should be there before the steps. Understood? So this is traversing a area. Now next we'll start because only hardly 1 or 2 minutes left. So this insertion will start in next application. So is it okay with PPT or should I use board or that? Because I've seen many lecture there where board is not clear to students. That's why I
This is
PPT is
better,
fine.
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. PPT
PPT
is
is
better.
better.
So I'll then go with PPT. For CS2 also I'll go with PPT. So I think
Yes,
on
ma'am.
Thursday OC1 is having this
Yes, ma'am.
for CS2 two lectures continuous because next week we are going to merge with N1 batch. तो आपका last week कोई lecture नहीं हुआ था इसलिए वो combine करने के लिए 2 lectures because I have already taught in other batches. मुझे आपको वहाँ तक पहुँचाने के लिए तो I'll be taking continuous 2 lectures on that Thursday. Okay. I'll take the screenshot for the
Ma'am, can you send this PPT on the group?
yes, but it is not completed. जितनी मैंने बनाई है that I'll send.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.